Hi, my name is Bryn Klein, owner of Assured Auto Works in Melbourne, Florida. We are an independent repair shop that works on Asian and domestic vehicles, and we focus on providing an excellent customer service experience. Before Shop-Ware, some of our pain points involved dealing with a business that was clearly not going to grow and not grow with us. So we were looking for a company that was going to be looking to the future and helping us with things like integration, running reports really quickly and efficiently. When we decided that we were ready to move on, it was just perfect timing. Shop-Ware had come to market. It was something that we could get involved with early on, and we fell in love with it right away. The fact that it's cloud-based and we can access the system anywhere, we can share it with our clients. So modern, clean, fresh, and intuitive. It was a no-brainer for us. The other thing that's really cool about Shop-Ware is there's no more parts matrix. It's much more intelligent and flexible and customizable. So where we want our gross profit margins may be different from another shop. So we can set that in the optimizer and just kind of manage it. By using Shop-Ware, our clients really get a better idea of what it takes to do an excellent job for them every single time. We hear it all the time when they come in that they love the repair orders that we're sending them, and they can see the pictures and the videos and the technician's notes, and they can send notes back and authorize estimates, but we also see it in the reviews. Shop-Ware is the only choice if you're wanting to be with a company that's the leader in the industry. It's going to help them not only survive, but improve their business, improve the perception of the industry, improve their relationships with their clients, and it's going to be at an automated level.